Hi there, my name is Kathy. Look at my smile. Boy, you think I've got some of this called pop-ons already on the top. No, that's $7,000 of bridge work. But what you don't see is on the bottom. And all the missing teeth I have in the back. Had one dental problem after the other over the years, and probably for another 7,000 plus, I could have some of those worked on too. Or I responded to what's called pop-on. Saw it online. You get this cute little box in the mail. Welcome to the pop-on family. And I had just the bottom teeth made for me. You got the kit with them. It came with the ingredients and how to put it together and make your molds. Just one tray fit the top and the bottom, even though I only needed the bottom. You do 3 of the same, send it back to them. UPS takes it back. A couple days later, you get a confirmation has been received and it was successful. They like one or all of them, and within a couple weeks, you'll be getting yours. And lo and behold, I think just about 2.5 weeks, I got this cute little container here. Okay. But first, I want to show you how the mold came out that you did yourself. Okay. This is the bottom of my teeth. This is what I needed to match the top, to match the bite, and to cover my missing teeth. Okay. So I got mine in the mail, UPS, about 2.5 weeks later. Look at these. These match my white. And I'm going to show you how to put them in. Really simple. They cover the missing teeth, and they fit really well. You can drink with them, talk with them, and they look great. And here I'm going to put it in my mouth. And there they are. Is that a beautiful smile or what? I'm very happy with the pop-on. Love being part of the family. Would definitely recommend it to anyone who's got the same problem as I do, or different issues. The cost of dentistry is way too much, and pop-on is definitely a great solution for you all. Good luck. Try them. You'll like them.